Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss on how to implement continuous integration and deployment in web app, and will also provide the demo for the same. I would like to encourage you to please watch my previous video related to web apps. So let's start. This is the home page of Azure portal. Let me navigate to app service, click on create and web app. Provide a meaningful name for a resource group. Provide a meaningful name to web app. Select .NET 8 LTS as a runtime stack. Keep operating system as it is and select Australia Central as a region. For this demo, I will use the pricing plan as basic. Navigate to deployment. Here we have option for continuous deployment. This also we can use, but we'll show another method as well to enable the continuous deployment. And click on review and create. Click on create. We'll come back once the resources get created. Now the resource is created. Click on go to resource. We are now on overview tab of web apps. Click on URL. This is the home page of the application. Now to implement the CI/CD pipeline for the same, let me navigate to Visual Studio. Navigate to Solution Explorer. I have already created the application called web app CD demo. Let me build the application. This is the home page of the application. Now to implement the CI/CD pipeline, we need to configure the Git repository in Visual Studio. Let me navigate back to Visual Studio. Go to Git. Select create a Git repository. Provide the details and click on create and push. This will create a project for us in GitHub repository. This is a GitHub repository. I have already created an account in GitHub repository. And here navigate to repository. This is the same project which we pushed from Visual Studio. Navigate to action tab. Currently it is blank. No actions are listed here. Navigate back to Azure portal. Select deployment center. Select GitHub option. Select basic authentication. Once we select the basic authentication, we will get the error. Click on this error and enable the SCM basic auth and FTP basic auth and save the changes. Navigate back to previous page. Select the organization, repository and branch. Now again select the basic authentication. Now this time no error is populated. Save the changes. Navigate to GitHub repository and navigate to action tab. Here now you see the action is listed. Click on the link. Click on the build. Now the build pipeline is building. We will wait until the build pipeline ends. Now you notice an error is encountered. Project file not exist. To solve this error, go to workflow file and click on edit. Change the path for .NET Publish as shown. Scroll down and change the path for .NET App as well as shown. Commit the changes. Navigate back to the action. Now one more new action is listed. Click on it. Again go to build. The build process is again invoked. We will wait until it completes. Build is complete now and it moves to deploy option. It is also complete now. Navigate back to Azure portal. Click on URL and you notice the first version of application is deployed using CI/CD pipeline from GitHub. Let me navigate to Visual Studio. Go to Solution Explorer and click on Publish. Select Azure and click on Next. Select Azure App Service Windows and click on Finish. Select the web app which we have created in Azure. Select Next. Select CI/CD using GitHub option and click on Finish. Publish profile is created and it generates two files. One is YAML and other is ARM.json. Both are used to pass the argument to CI/CD pipeline. Now navigate to home, index.html and do some changes on the UI and save the changes. Move the changes to stage, add suitable comments and click on commit stage. Push the changes to Git repository, click on push and pull. Syncing is done now. Changes are moved to repository. Navigate to GitHub, navigate to action tab, and here now new action is listed. Click on action, click on build. The build is ongoing. We'll wait for build and deploy pipeline to ends. Now both are completed. Navigate to application URL, refresh the page, and you noticed the change are migrated from Visual Studio using CI/CD pipeline. In this way, CI/CD pipeline from GitHub are used to automate the process of migrating the changes in repository and deploy the changes to web app. I hope this video helps you to understand the concept. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.